Good. So now that you have your Gmail account all set up, you'll find that you have 3 new messages from the Gmail team, and you've got your inbox and your sent mail. And you can of course compose a message if you want right there to anybody that you want to send anything to. But more importantly, with this part here, I would like to show you how to start up with using Google Drive. So if you come up here, you'll see this little checkerboard area near the top right, and click on this right here, and this drop down menu will show you that you've got your G+, your search, YouTube, Maps, Play, Gmail. More importantly, right here, click on the Google Drive icon right here. So this will take you to your cloud-based file sharing system here called Google Drive. And I've got my welcome message here, welcome to the new Google Drive. And you can of course take a brief tutorial on how to start this up, how to get started right here. But you've got all your files will come right here. You've got your most recent ones if you want to keep ones that are important, and also ones that are in the trash. So this is it's similar to Dropbox, but I prefer Google Drive here. And what we have here, if you come in and you can say make something new, you can create a folder perhaps, and you can call this folder, I'll call these ones tutorials. And I'll create a new folder here. Okay, so I've got my tutorials folder right there, and you can drag and drop different things into your folders, and you'll see your folders coming in right here. We've also got right here, we've got the first one, of course, Google Docs. It's like your Word documents. You got Google Sheets, which is similar to an Excel spreadsheet, and we've also got Google Slides, which is just like a PowerPoint presentation. More importantly, actually most importantly for educational purposes, we've got Google Forms, and in a later tutorial I will show you how to use or how to set up a Google form and actually use this for quizzes and testing. Alright, so good. So we've seen how to get into our Google Drive here.